Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to talk about estimating. I know that we can get frustrated when we get the paperwork from the school and it says we want to estimate. It's like, well, I know how to calculate that. Why do I can get it exactly right. Why do I need to estimate? Well, we need to estimate and we need to be able to have an idea of roughly what the answer might be. So we understand if we made just a simple mistake that makes a huge difference in the number, we need to be able to catch that right off the bat and go, yeah, that's not right. So a good example is when we measured this tree. I think it was our first activity, actually. Our first calculation my son and I came up with had it at about 300 feet. It's not even close to 300 feet. It's more like in the 50s. But we knew that right off the bat when we saw that's wrong. Okay, so luckily we didn't present a video that was really wrong. So I would like you to practice estimating today. And I think a great way to do that is to give an over-under, like make it a contest. So between Dylan and I would say, hey, that tree right there is 55 feet tall. Over or under, which one are you taking? And then we measure it, we figure it out, and if he's right, he gets, I don't know, an M&M, and if I'm right, I get an M&M. So practice estimating today. It could be the distance between here and the fence. It could be volume. We could take a look at this wheelbarrow and say, okay, how many gallons do you think that wheelbarrow holds? And then we check it out by using this. Or we could even be inside, and we could say, this Carson Kolzig Foundation cup, how many teaspoons would that be? And we estimate. And then give yourself an over-under. So say, I think it's going to be 75 teaspoons. Do you think it's going to be over or under? So have fun today.